The CWT's orientation helped me understand a deeper purpose of the National Service Training Program. At its core, NSTP aims to transform students into responsible citizens who are not only academically competent but also embody values such as patriotism, civic consciousness, and social responsibility. It emphasizes becoming good, caring, human, 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 and environmentally aware individuals who contribute to national development. I learned that the vision of NSTP program is to develop a strong sense of civic engagement and preparedness among the youth. It is not just about completing school requirements but about preparing us to actively participate in community service and even respond to national emergencies. The mission highlights the importance of holistic development physically, normally, socially, and intellectually, so we can become well-rounded individuals. The objectives of CWT is focused on building civic consciousness, encouraging participation and community development, and equipping us with practical skills. One key takeaway from me it is that CWT is not purely theoretical. It requires us to apply what we learn in real life situation through activities like community immersion. We are expected to engage directly with communities' identity, their needs, and implement meaningful project. I also realized the importance of reflection after every activity. The program encourages us to evaluate our experiences, organize the impact of our work, and identity areas for improvement. This process help in developing critical thinking and lifelong learning skills. In terms of program at outcome, CWT aims to produce graduates who are actively involved in community service, capable of addressing social challenges, and ready to contribute to national development. It also prepares us to be resilient and responsive during emer- emergencies. Another key aspect I learned as the grading system and requirements. Although STP is not included in the GWA, it is mandatory for graduate. This shows how important the program is, and attendance and participation are strictly monitored, and failure to comply can result in being dropped or failing the course. Lastly, I learned that CWTS is not just about compliance, but about character formation. It's trained us to become responsible leaders, active citizens, and individuals who care about others. It teaches us has the value of service, teamwork, and community to be commitment to be the community. Overall, the civilities orientation made me realize that this program it is a powerful platform for personal growth and social involvement. It challenges us to go beyond the classroom and take a real difference in social. Through CWTS, we are not just students, we are future nation builders.